Hello, beauties. You are welcome back to my channel. So, in today's recipe, guys, I'll be sharing with you on how to make these very yummy butter cookies. We call it melting moment. This literally melts in your mouth when you eat it, and it's so good. So, guys, let's just dive into this recipe. So, in your bowl, you are going to be adding your softened butter, and I use 300 grams of butter for this recipe. Inside it's just adding your 1 cup of powdered sugar. Just proceed to mix everything together. The details of everything I use here will be in the caption below, so do well to check it out. You can as well use your electric mixer to do this in less than a minute. But for the benefit of those that don't have electric mixer and want to make this, it is that easy. So after mixing, I'm just using my spatula to make that sure that everything is well combined. So right now you'll be adding in 1 egg to this and go on and add in your vanilla extract, and I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together till it is well combined. This particular cookies is different from what you know. It is so good and you are going to love it. Everyone is going to love this actually. So go on now and pour in your all-purpose flour, and I use 450 grams of all-purpose flour. So inside it now, just adding your baking powder, and this is just 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. But if you are using salted butter, you don't need any extra salt into this. So right now, we are just going to mix all this till it is well combined. Your dough should be like this after mixing. You should be able to mold it. It should be moldable, yes. But if it is not, just put inside the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before you can work with it. So right now we are going to be cutting in our dark chocolate. So I'm just breaking up this dark chocolate into tiny bits as much as I can. You can as well use your white chocolate for this or chocolate chips. Anything can work for this. So this is it, guys. We are done. And now I'm going to bring out our dough and we can begin working with it. This is actually very easy to mold. Just watch as I do this. So I will first of all take a little size, mold it into ball. I will press it down with my palms before I will go ahead to put some of this chocolate that we have already cut inside the cookie dough. Just make sure to cover the dough very well so that the chocolate will have to be inside it. So that is what I'm doing. After that, proceed to roll it again and just flatten it with your palm. See, guys, is that easy? Just take a look at it. Is that easy? So into our baking tray now, I'm just transferring everything. Let's do this again. Just take out a little of your cookie dough, roll it in your palm like this into a ball, press it down just like this, and just scoop some of this chocolate goodness into it and proceed to cover up the dough. That's just it, guys. Is that easy? Have you subscribed to my channel? Are you a member of this community? Please, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please just make sure to hit the subscribe button below and join our beautiful community. I share relatable recipes like these, recipes you and your loved ones are going to like. Yes, and make sure to just like the video. It will help the video do it. Yes, so that is it, guys. and we have our cookies. They are all set now. So I'm using two pieces of skewers to give this beautiful pattern. Just watch the way I am doing this. This is just going to make our cookies turn out so beautiful, and that is it. So right now, I just transfer these into the oven, and 15 minutes later, this is ready. We have these butter cookies. It's so good. The aroma in the kitchen now is so nice. These cookies literally melts in your mouth. It is so buttery, it's so nice. And imagine the melting moment. Yes, imagine the chocolates inside this just makes it so different. Take my word for it. Everyone is going to love this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.